Hello friends, welcome to our channel Swati DCPL, and we are back with EPFO member registration or add a new employee into PF portal. First of all, we have to open the Employees Provident Fund Organization India site under the Ministry of Labour and Employment, Government of India. Once we open this website, we are going to find a tab on the right hand corner asking to insert the login ID and the password. We have to insert the login ID and password of the employer and sign in. Once the login is complete, we have to click on the member tab. Inside the member tab, we will get a registration of individual, register individual. We have to click on the same to register the individual's name. Once you click on register individual, this page will come out. Now you have to know the employee that you are going to register has a previous UAN or does not have a UAN, that is registered with EPFO with some other organization. If the employee is already registered with EPFO under any other organization other than yours, then that employee will have a UAN number. First of all, you have to insert whether that employee has a UAN number or not, no or yes. If the employee has a UAN number, you have to click on yes. After clicking on yes, you have to insert the UAN number, Aadhaar number, name and date of birth of that particular employee, and then click on verify. Once you click on verify, the entire details against that UAN of that employee will be shown. After clicking on verify, you are going to get the entire details of that employee against the UAN already registered. You can make changes to it, like you can make changes to the PAN, passport, driving license, election card, ration card, bank account, other than Aadhaar card. Other than Aadhaar number and Aadhaar card details, you can rectify any other details against that employee. After clicking on or inserting the details or making the rectifications uh, as per requirement, you have to insert the date of joining of that employee. Once you did that, insert the date of joining of that employee, you have to click on save just at the below of the screen. Now, if your employee does not have a UAN number, that is previous registration with EPFO, then you have to insert no. Once you insert no, you have to enter the entire details of the employee. That is the name as per Aadhaar card, date of birth as per Aadhaar card, gender, father's or husband's name, nationality, relation, email ID, marital status, mobile number, qualification, date of joining, and save the details. Once you enter the entire details and click on the save icon, you will get a screen, member record saved successfully. Now after you have saved the details of the employee, then you have to again click on the member tab and go to approvals under the member tab. Once you click on approvals, you will get a screen in this manner. All the pending approvals of the employees that you have registered will come here. If you want to view the details of the employee that you have inserted, you can click on the view icon and check and recheck the details that you have inserted. And if you want to approve the details that you have inserted, you have to click on the approve icon. Once you click on the view icon, you will get a screen in this manner, where you get the entire details of the employee in one screen. To recheck the details, if you click on the approve button, you will get a screen in this manner in which it is written approved successfully. Once you get the icon approved successfully, the entire details of the employee has been approved successfully under your EPFO registration. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe, share and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates.